Me soon come back, mama. Me not gone for too long, it only 8 weeks. Just enough time for see snow and freeze my eyebrows. Welcome to Canada?
Stoosh, what is here now? You gone to Canada and come back with all heap of foolishness? All of this for in Jamaica? Your brain freeze up to or what?
Ugh, sorry, Mom. I didn't expect it to be so tropical.
Tropical. Miss, you never even see snow till last week. Now you're the talk Canadian like your name Maple Leaf.
Wow, the next door neighbor's mangoes are getting really ripe.
You come back a full idiot. Me no raise you if you forget yourself, you hear? Jamaica might stress you, but it build you. Every little breeze, it live in your spirit. You can't run from your roots go run with you.